Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to explain the concept that is refraction of light at plane surfaces. In this chapter, whatever the bits we have at the end of the chapter, I am going to be discuss those. So the first one is at critical angle of incidence, the angle of refraction is. So at the critical angle of incidence, angle of refraction is 90 degrees. That means at the night, because of this 90 degrees, the refracted rays travels along the interface of the denser to the rarer medium. N1 sin, second one, N1 sin A equals to N2 sin R, which is called as Snell's law. This is called as Snell's law. And speed of light in vacuum. Actually, in the vacuum, the velocity or the speed of the light is maximum, that is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. As we know that based on the mediums, the velocity of the, that means the speed of the light is changes. Total internal reflection takes place when a light ray propagates from denser medium to the rarer medium. Denser medium to the denser to rarer medium. And the refractive index of transparent material is, that means what given for us is mu given. How much given? Mu equals to 3 by 2. And the speed of the light in that medium is, that means V equals to how much? Actually, what is the formula we have? The refractive index can be defined as the velocity of the or speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in medium. So what given for us? They have given the mu value and also c value also. We know c equals to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So that means from this equation, so we want to calculate the v value. That means v equals to c by mu. So c equals to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and mu equals to 3 by 2. That means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means, suppose 3 cancel, so 2 comes upward. Then v equals to 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. 2 into 10 power 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay. Mirage is an example of total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. We are actually during the summer days, hot days, during the afternoon, we may observe these in highway roads. So that means we are at some distance, we are observing some water. Suppose if we go there, there is no water. That is called as a mirage. So that is because of the total internal reflection. Okay. And multiple choice questions. Which of the following is Snell's law? So what is the Snell's law given for us? That is N1 sin I equals to sine of angle of incidence equals to N2 sine of angle of reflection. Okay, suppose if we do the cross multiplication, that means N1 by N2 equals to sine I by sine R. So out of four options, which one is suitable? So the B is suitable for the way. The answer is B. The refractive index of a glass with respect to the air is 2. That means the refractive index, how much given for us? Mu equals to 2 given. And then the critical angle of glass air interface, that means C equals to how much? What is the formula for us? We have, that is sin C equals to 1 by mu. That implies sin C equals to mu, how much given for us? 1 by 2. For which value? Sin C equals to 1 by 2, which is equals to the sin 30 degrees according to our trigonometry. That means in the place of C, what is there? Therefore C equals to 30 degrees. That means option C is correct. So the next one is total internal reflection takes place when the light ray travels from which medium to the which medium. So that is actually the denser to the rarer medium. Denser medium to the rarer medium. That's why the option is denser medium to rarer medium. That's why the option which one is correct is that is C is the correct answer. The angle of deviation produced by the glass slab is, for example, you have to take a glass slab. This is a glass slab. Okay, this is the incident ray. When the rays are traveling from the rarer medium to the denser medium, they will okay, refracts towards the normal. After that refraction, once again they will go like this. So that means these two are parallel. That means the angle between those is 0 degrees. That means option is A correct. The answer is 0 degrees. Why? Because this is the emergent ray. The angle between those is 0 degrees. And I would like to explain some more important bits for our competitive examinations. The first one, dash is the basic principle of optical fibers. I think optical fibers are working based on the principle of total internal reflections. So we are watching different programs on our telephone, on our TV. So because of the cable, what is the cable? That cable is also a optical fiber cable. Okay, that is works based on the total internal reflection concept. Okay, the unit of refractive index is, actually there are no units. Why? Because the refractive index is the ratio of the two same physical quantities. So if both are same physical quantities, cancel each other automatically. There are no units for the refractive index. This is very important point. You should be keep in your mind. Next, the critical angle of diamond. That means what he was asked is C equals to how much. So C equals to how much, regarding that one, first we should be write the refractive index of the diamond. Refractive index of the diamond, which is equals to the, we are denoting with the letter mu, that is 2.42. Okay, we may use this one by n also. Sometimes we may use this one with n, no problem. Both are same, n or mu. What is the formula we have? Sin C equals to 1 by n, or for our convenience I wrote both, 1 by mu. So that implies C equals to sin inverse of 1 by mu. That equals to sin inverse of 1 by 2.42 by using the trigonometric table. Suppose if we do the what is the value we will get is C equals to 24.4 degrees. 24.4 degrees. This is the critical angle of the diamond, my dear friends. A lemon kept in a glass of water appears to be, actually we are observing this one in front of the shops. So at the shops nearby the counters, they may put some glass tumbler with a lemon place. There we can observe the size of the lemon is bigger because of the refraction. Okay, a refractive index of the water is, so what is the refractive index of the water? That means we have to calculate the mu value. What is the formula we have? Mu equals to C by V. Okay, where C is the velocity of the light, that is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. V is the velocity of light in water. Velocity of light in water. As I already told you, velocity means or speed. Sorry, speed of the light. Speed of the light is varies. So that is speed of the light in water, which is equals to the 2.25 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Suppose if we substitute those values, mu equals to C by V, that equals to 3 into 10 power 8 divided by 2.25 into 10 power 8. Suppose both cancel, that implies mu equals to 3 into, in the place of point we have to take 1, after 2 digits are there, that's why 2 zeros, 225. That means 300 divided by 225, which is equals to the 1.33. Is there any units? No units. Why? Because the refractive index is the ratio of the same physical quantities. Okay, speed of light of a medium depends upon the optical density. That is, depends upon the optical density of the medium. The angle of refraction per critical angle is, that is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, in a glass slab or water, refraction takes place. Okay, how many times? So the refraction takes place for 2 times. For example, if you take a glass lamp, one time it is incidenting on that surface. That means here it is the air glass interface. After the refraction, once again glass to air refraction, so two times refraction. So same like that if you take a water drop, so in the water drop also, first one the refraction where it will take is air to the water medium. After that if you enter into the medium and once again it will coming, so here that means this is the water and air medium. Like that, if a light ray is passing through the any glass slab or water, two times refraction takes place. Okay, the brilliance of the diamond is due to the, actually if you observe the diamond that very bright. Why? Because of the total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. So as I already we have know that the refractive index is more, that is or 2.42. Why? Because the critical angle is 24.4 degrees. Okay, when light ray travels from the denser medium to the rarer medium, the relation between the R and I is the angle of refraction is greater than the angle of incidence. Okay, I think you understood. You have to prepare them. For more videos, you should be click the bell icon. Thank you. For any comments, you should be you can comment on my comment box. Thank you.